Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. It's me, Ellen. So in this video, I decided to film this Bake With Me. This is a Danish recipe called SAFTIG CHOKOLADEKAGE med NEM GLASUR, or easy chocolate cake with easy icing. So guys, if you want to know how to make this, is it fail or success, keep on watching and here's the ingredients.
Butter, cold water, cocoa powder, vanilla sugar, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, flour, a pinch of salt, milk, egg, choco dream icing and frosting, and for the topping, rainbow mix. Here are the summary of all the ingredients.
Guys, first is let's preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius.
Here I have 30 Fairways butter. We're gonna use 125 gram of butter and 2.5 deciliter of water. Melt butter and water in a saucepan, and then add the 25 gram of cocoa powder, stir well, and take the pan off the heat. In one bowl, mix all the dry ingredients all together. Add the butter mixture and stir it all together until it blends. Let's add the milk to the ingredients and mix it again together. Finally, add the eggs and mix the whole dough together until it has a uniform consistency without lumps.
Yay!
Be generous enough to put butter on the baking dish and then pour the dough into a greased baking dish. And bake the cake for 30 to 35 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Meanwhile. A few moments later.
Now it's time to put the Choco Dream icing and frosting on the cake. We're gonna use 1 bag of this. And 50 grams of butter, melted butter. And 1/2 deciliter of cold water, and mix it all together. Here it is, our softy chocolate cake NEM GLASUR or juicy chocolate cake with easy icing. Choco drip icing and frosting is so simple and easy to prepare. It has a delicious taste of chocolate, which is one of my favorite flavor. And look at the rainbow mix sprinkles. It's so adorable, which the kids will surely love it. Okay guys, that's for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this. Please don't forget to hit the like button, leave your message on the comment section below, and do consider subscribing to my channel. See you on the next one. God bless everyone and keep safe.